Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make a smoked trout salad with horseradish sauce. And here are the main ingredients: smoked trout fillet and the vegetables: arugula, diced shallots, green olives and thinly sliced radish. First I'm gonna be preparing the sauce. That means like quite a lot of mayonnaise, a little bit of olive oil as well. Then the star of the dish, the star of the sauce: horseradish, grated, quite a lot. For some more pungent flavor, I'm gonna add sharp mustard, a little bit of salt, quite some black pepper, a little bit of coriander, diced scallion, why not? This is always nice in any sauce, in any recipe. Plus fresh lime juice. Some more. Gonna mix this all together. You can smell the fragrance, you can smell the freshness of the lime. Just take a look at this, guys. I'm just trying the sauce. It has the pungence, it has the fresh acidity. It's almost perfect. The only thing I have to do in the meantime is slicing the fish fillet with my fish knife in equal parts. Something like this. Now I'm just a few steps away from building the perfect, or almost perfect, seafood salad. So, here I got the arugula, diced shallots. I think I'm gonna put the olives, yeah, the radish, and then I will place this beautiful smoked trout, a little bit like everywhere. And then last but not least, I'm gonna pour the nice sauce, freshness on top of the smoked trout and all the green vegetables. I think this is gonna be a nice combination of fresh and ripe flavors. smoked trout salad with arugula and radish. Plus a beautiful sauce. Now I must say, trout that is a beautiful fish, an oily fish, similar family to salmon, so yeah, that's why I like trout. The texture, the flavor, so much flavor in there. Goes beautiful with all these fresh vegetables like radish, like shallots, arugula of course. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.